Over the next 3 to 5 years, the International Society of Automation will work to transform itself and bring more value than ever to the automation community. This primer will help you understand the pieces and parts of ISA's strategic plan. Building a successful future starts with having a vision. ISA's vision is to create a better world through automation. We believe that automation makes society safer, more productive, and more efficient. An organization's mission brings its vision to life and gives it reason for existing. Our mission is to advance technical competence by connecting the automation community to achieve operational excellence. The value of automation is realized by bringing the right people together to develop and implement new technologies, and ISA is in a unique position to accomplish this. A solid strategic plan needs to be built with the vision and mission in mind, to live out our mission and vision and ultimately make progress towards achieving our vision. We need to align people and resources around programs and projects that move us forward. Bringing the plan to life starts with the strategic pillars, which are the framework for what we want to achieve in the next 3 to 5 years. If ISA is going to be successful in the long term, we must do the following: spread the word, expand our reach and engagement, create valuable and relevant customer experiences, develop the automation workforce of the future, and lead to inspire. These pillars work together to prop up the strategic plan. And if we want to make progress in those areas, we need to set some goals. Our 4 strategic goals represent programs that we feel are critical to our success. ISA strategic goal programs include market awareness and sponsorship, member development and engagement, technical education and certification, and leadership and business skill development. Within each strategic goal, we've outlined high-level initiatives that serve as core pieces of each program. Each initiative has a deeper level of detail behind it, with projects, tasks, milestones, and measures. These details are managed by ISA staff and overseen by the ISA Executive Board. In the first strategic goal, market awareness and sponsorship, we are working to expand our impact around the world. There are 3 primary initiatives within this goal. 1, we will develop projects to influence the adoption of standards and collaborate with other standards organizations. 2, we will create content that's focused on user benefits, covering standards-based applications and market trends. And we will deliver that content in flexible, easy-to-consume formats. 3, we will increase our participation and expand our partnership globally as well as locally, leveraging industry events, conferences, and summits with key global executives to ensure that we're effectively serving automation professionals around the world. And the second strategic goal, membership development and engagement, we are focused on growing a diverse, impactful membership that moves the profession of automation into the future. The 3 initiatives within this goal include nurturing and growing a diverse voice of ISA by expanding our programs for early career professionals and individuals outside of North America, boosting engagement by creating global online communities and expanding beyond traditional leadership opportunities, and developing our volunteer leadership in purposeful ways so that they can successfully lead their communities in doing the important work of the society. The third strategic goal is focused on technical education and certification. You'll notice that the goal uses the word education rather than training, and this is purposeful because we believe that knowledge can be shared in many different formats, and we are limiting the scope of our traditional training programs. The first initiative in this goal, in fact, is about developing that broad set of technical resources that will help us serve our markets effectively. In this initiative, we will work to develop and deliver content both locally and globally through digital communities, relevant and personalized content on our website, and strengthening the programs we offer at the regional level around the world. The second initiative focuses on creating flexible training options to meet customer needs. People learn differently today than they did 20 years ago, and we will work to develop relevant and effective online, hands-on, and modular training courses that are easy to access and use. The third initiative involves raising the value and recognition of training and certification. We believe that a well-trained workforce will be the key to increasing productivity, keeping our systems safe and secure, and lowering costs for companies in every industry. By using skill assessments, electronic badging, and effectively promoting the importance of certificate and certification programs, we will work to communicate the importance of investing in human capital. The fourth and final strategic goal emphasizes the importance of leadership and business skill development. For most industrial companies, finding talented engineers and technicians isn't a problem. The challenge is to find technical people with the business acumen and management ability to lead teams. Undergraduate curricula doesn't cultivate the skills that you need to become a great leader, but ISA can help fill those gaps. The first initiative in this goal is about creating more opportunities for members to gain experience in leadership situations, including cultivating committee participation and local engagement. In the second initiative, we will increase the exposure of early career professionals to mentoring, job opportunities, and networking. The third initiative reaches into the younger generation, cultivating interest in automation through our support of scholarship programs and STEM outreach. Together, the four strategic goals work to increase ISA's relevance and value in the marketplace. As you can see from the diagram, the pieces of the strategic plan each have their place as we build toward achieving our mission and vision. The final layer of the strategic plan can be viewed as a foundation upon which the rest of our plan rests. As engineers and technical professionals, you know that no structure can be built without a solid foundation. Within the concept of ISA's strategic plan, our foundation is a set of building blocks that enable us to deliver high-quality content and services to our market, our customers, and our members. These building blocks include our position as a standards authority, our commitment to be the global source of automation knowledge, the creation and digital delivery of content, our advocacy efforts around education, and fostering a positive governance and leadership culture within the organization. As we look at the complete structure, we can see the big picture of ISA's intended influence on the world of automation. And we can start to picture how our companies and industries would benefit from this work. There's one more important element left, though, and it might be the most visible of all. On the flag at the top of the structure, you can see our values. Everything we do is ultimately guided by these values, which exist to help us remember how we want to conduct ourselves and what kind of legacy we want to leave on the world. Our values include excellence. We strive to provide premier resources and unbiased technical content, developed and verified by our community of experts. Integrity. We act with honesty, integrity, and trust, treating others with respect in all that we do. Diversity and inclusion. We strive to be a global, diverse, and welcoming organization to all individuals within and/or supporting the automation profession. Collaboration. We seek out opportunities to work together for the benefit of all. And last, professionalism. We show pride, enthusiasm, and dedication in everything that we do. That completes the core structure of ISA's strategic plan. We have many details within each of these areas, but we hope this primer gives you a better idea of the direction we're headed. And we hope it inspires you to join us and be a part of the journey.